I have with me Deputy Chief of LAPD, Frank Horace, with me. Sir, I would like to ask you, you are here at the Inglewood Mosque. How would you describe your LAPD's relationship with the Muslim community?
You know, I'd have to say our relationship with the Muslim community is very sound, it's very strong, and it's one of those relationships that is absolutely necessary. It has not always been this good. But I think over the years, it's something that beginning with my predecessor, Deputy Chief Mike Downing, who retired several months ago, beginning with him, it's a kind of relationship that was much needed. We recognize that. And collaborating with other law enforcement partners, we decided that this is something that we needed to do. So we're very confident in our relationship with the Muslim community. And again, it's certain that can we make further gains? Absolutely. We can certainly make improvements. But we're very proud of the relationship that we have built.
Deputy Chief, what would you like the community to do? How would you like the community to, Muslim community to support you?
Well, you know, they talk about partnerships, right? And partnership is a two-way street. There are things that we in law enforcement need to do to build that partnership, but also the other part of that is there are things that people in the Muslim community can do to support us in law enforcement. We want people to feel comfortable in terms of reporting crimes. Our job is to help members of the Muslim community. In fact, our job is to help all members of the community. But for us to be able to do that, we need people to be able to report those crimes to us, report situations that they see going on in their particular communities, because we recognize people that live in the communities, they know those communities much better than we in law enforcement do. So they can recognize those things in their communities that are just not normal, things that kind of make them wonder. And that's when we would hope that the relationships that we've built will allow people to feel comfortable to come to us and advise us of those situations so we can take the appropriate action.
So what has your experience been? Is the Muslim community coming out and advising LAPD of any of these type of incidences, or the community is hush-hush and is hiding these type of things and not communicating with the LAPD or the law enforcement in general?
Our experience is that people are not hiding things. They're absolutely communicating, and that's why we're here. That's why we continue to be here, because if we felt this was a one-way street, then we wouldn't be here. So we're very happy with what we're seeing. Can we do better? Absolutely, on both sides. And that's why we continue to try to enhance this relationship, where we can continue to exude and exhibit the kind of trust and confidence in the community, that the community can recognize that and trust us and have confidence in us that we're going to do our job to keep them safe. So yes, we don't believe people are hiding stuff from us. We just believe that there are always things that we can improve on. And we're on both sides, and that's our goal, to continue to enhance and make this relationship prosper.
Chief, what would you like through our program, what message would you like to give to the Pakistani community and Muslim community as a whole?
The message that we'd like to send out there is that we are your friends. We recognize that if we in law enforcement are going to be successful, we need you, members of the community, to be our partners, to be our eyes and ears out there, and basically to exhibit the kind of confidence in us that I recognize the fact that we are here to serve you. I mean, that is really our job in law enforcement. We're here to serve you and to keep you safe, and we need your help in allowing us to do that job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.